Iya.
Iya.
Dan raka moloro chiko ko Demes.
Wara.
Iya. Vi kibro en randa na turbo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good morning, Atu. Good morning, Demesi, and I say good morning to all those tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
And Big Bina Kabakaleb once again to Punja celebrating 90 years
Right.
for being with us over the last few years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From then until today, and to date is still with us.
Dodo mo binaka.
Yeah.
We say good morning to Father Kaminieli Niboy all the
bro.
way from Nandakeke in Ndreketi Madhuata.
Ambulasia,
Thank you very much to Kamini Boy, Father and Randini,
Right.
Queen Niboy, and not forgetting from Ngaraningoli,
Right.
Senganga Madhuata, we Tumui Puna,
Mia Ambulasia.
and the family. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right. Apa mulu tadi bikin kita saran Andrei Tolil, Andrei Lori, Andrei Minibus, Andrei motor kamu gitu kay.
Iya.
Kemudian pasti dia nih
Iya.
tentang muri ni sar cuma yang motor ini kuah.
Iya.
Sahabat bulu tertentu bikin mau dibayar nanti ani. It's a cloudy morning here in Waimanu Road.
How?
Saya kasih sar di buat tiba kabina cuma anti mata di singa.
Iya.
Saya di nama tahu tak kena nonton itu kani. And mata kini bakan dalam
Warta
sini.
chiko Demes na rere ni dinongo kito rere singa. We look sunny
Yeah.
in this what you call it, this light.
Yeah.
That downlight that's on the ceiling, eh?
Maybe because of the upgrading.
Upgrading
Maybe.
and the blacklist
What?
coming from the back.
Oh,
on
yeah,
the wall,
okay,
eh?
okay.
Yeah.
We keep it okay. Maro taka chiko na baging go na Kabad Level Communications PG Limited.
Doon mo na.
40th birthday, CFL 40th birthday. There will be
Gratitude concert.
gratitude concert this weekend.
Right.
On Saturday, Mika.
Yeah, that's on the 5th of July.
Yeah.
Make sure do come down and
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Meet your personalities. We keep it in the
Yeah.
Sometimes we just we listen on the radio.
Yeah.
Sember in the sotavirtu non the tokan in the living garage.
Ina.
Alright.
Communications Fiji Limited
Yeah.
is VTFM's backbone.
Yeah.
Huh?
VTFM's backbone. If
Right.
there is no Communications Fiji Limited,
Yeah.
there is no VTFM.
Yeah.
Right.
Everyone knows about VTFM, but
Yeah.
they don't know about the company,
Yeah.
the Communications Fiji Limited. Celebrating 40 years.
Yeah.
If there is no communication Fiji Limited,
No VTFM.
no backbone.
No the backbone.
Yeah.
Myself and the Communications Fiji Limited, same age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
40.
40.
40
Oh,
this year.
congratulations.
We celebrate together.
Maramanita Bunen of FM
And
96.
Bunene, FM 96 Breakfast Show.
Yeah.
Ah.
He's also 40 years old.
40 years old.
Yeah.
Myself and Bunene,
Yeah.
born on the same day.
Yeah.
Same day.
On the 11th.
Yeah.
So you get in Suba or?
Suba.
Oh.
That time, no, not CWM.
Yeah.
That time, AM maternity unit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wana na.
Now you born now is the CWM.
No, myself number one.
Oh, in the bush.
Not the bush, eh? The one is very double back.
The Messi, please remove your backbone.
Remove a backbone nandun na.
So the celebration
Yeah.
from 12 to 1.
Right.
Ah.
12 to 11.
Yeah.
12 p.m., 11 p.m.
Right.
But the live music,
Yeah.
4 p.m. to 11 p.m. That's very long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know
And
who
it's
all,
free, ladies and gentlemen.
who all
Yeah.
will be performing?
Yeah.
Eh,
Oh, the bands.
the bands.
Yeah.
Tom Moe.
Ha.
And the Viewer Music.
Willie.
Featuring Kaliti, Ratu, Asinate, and Oni.
Vitali.
Right.
Big Wheels.
Willie.
Steve Makomba.
Gori.
Simoni Watalevu.
Nana.
Georgina Lendua.
Mai.
Seru Serevi. Rossi Loa. Marama. Vega 6. Cookie. Laisa Volokoro. The Gang. And the Senim Bosal.
Oh,
Ui,
la
yeah.
la.
Billy T will also be there. And also some of our Navtarang artists.
Facility.
They will be there like Ronald J.
Willie.
Menta
and-
ko man nga taka
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the Belloman and the Saragam Bollywood will be there.
Yeah.
And the Bow Dance Company.
Ka.
They will also be there.
On stage.
This Saturday.
Maxan.
No, Baxter no more.
Oh,
Only on during the showcase.
Alright.
Because, you have to give me some more.
Okay.
Then I'll be there.
SN is there.
No.
You have to double
Tim-
tap.
Ah?
Double tap and he'll be there.
Yeah, you double tap. Double tap.
Okay.
Alright.
Larima, pita masilada kam.
Okay, our story this morning is about...
This is a story
yeah.
about a coach. A coach is have a condition to apply in the upbringing
must-
and choosing ball of the players in the playground.
Okay.
So what he does, he does. Nakatukuna and nakaba.
Right.
What he does, he does.
Yeah.
So
What he does, he does.
yeah.
Right.
So there is a man in the
Player.
game.
He's a player.
Right.
There is a player.
Yeah.
He's not a player.
Yeah.
He is a runner.
Oh,
He
he's
is
a
a
faster.
kick and tea runner.
Yeah.
Oh,
He is a water boy runner.
Okay.
He is a injury time runner.
Right.
So whenever anything happen or any long mistake,
All right.
mindo na tutungin balabu, he will be there for the kicking tea. So if anyone lies there,
Right.
mindondo,
Yeah.
noka,
Yeah.
he is there. So if he is a stretcher,
Yeah.
he is a better.
Right,
So we went.
right. He is a runner.
He's a runner.
He's a kicking tea runner.
He's a better.
He's a water bottle runner.
Yeah.
And he's a knocker runner.
Knocker runner.
Wat kay na dabatali.
Dabo-dabo.
He's an ambulance runner.
Hula.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yes.
Right.
So this one was there. So that the coach
Yeah.
only choose the well-built.
Oh.
As you can see, the long, the
Like this
muscle.
one will be Lord.
Iyo ko baka message ni,
Karma.
it's very small
Right.
and not even come to train
Right.
and he want to play.
But he's a talkative one.
Talkative one.
Yeah.
Jack Tokoni, just dedication to the class 101 Maris Primary.
Oh,
Kanra.
Yeah,
Bulunaka.
and also the 102.
Right.
All right. Mike,
So they going for the play.
who's
Him.
right?
So they go for the play. This fella was there. He wants to play. He tell the coach,
Yeah.
I want to play this Saturday.
Okay.
Because he's got a big mouth.
He goes a big mouth.
Yeah.
And why you never allow me? I've trained for so many months.
I know all the code.
I know all the code.
Yeah.
I've trained for so many months.
Right.
And I want to play in this team. This is a team of my land.
Right.
Yeah.
Gonna team ni Banua.
Right.
I want to play on
I've
this
been
team.
here for centuries.
I've been here for century So I want to play.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
You don't have the body,
You're right.
coach.
Yeah.
You don't have the body.
Yeah.
Your body, I don't know. And at that time, this story is far behind.
Yeah.
Oi.
Kalau makawa.
Right.
Hey.
Iyo.
Now I think like from now onward, we will always tell the story far behind.
So this fella
Yeah.
was there. So was there this fella?
Yeah.
During the time,
Yeah.
that jersey is very heavy.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Nowadays, that jersey is stretchable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tight fitting. Yeah.
Tight fitting, sawawabu.
Right.
Yeah.
That time, that jersey,
Loose.
at that time the sewing, korang tahu dulu lah.
Sewing
Yeah.
machine.
Sewing machine na sama-sama.
Yeah.
Eh, siya
Na wani tulo na walay nang una.
Walay me, lamo ka na mimi di.
Yeah.
So that time, this fella was there.
Yeah.
He himself can
Yeah.
even carry like 1 to 2 kg.
Right.
The heavy weight of the jersey.
Yeah, he's a small
Oh,
fella.
okay.
The butterfly jersey.
Yeah.
When the air comes,
Yeah.
enter the chest,
Yeah.
going through the leg.
Yeah.
Right.
Enter the basika.
Yeah.
Oi.
It will look like hanging on the hanger.
Right, yeah, dinasar. Kembali sa turbo lilisar nga.
Yeah.
And the day they play,
Just like you when you came in for the interview.
boy, it's very, they ask me you secondary school.
Yeah.
So they come.
Right.
When they come, okay, you'll play today because of the league.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The coach said, you'll play today.
This is your chance.
You'll play today.
Yeah.
So you'll be in reserve.
Right.
Oh,
So
okay.
the coach trying his very best. This one will be 5 minutes player.
Yeah, right.
Okay,
Well, at the end
last,
of the game.
last 5 minutes.
Iya, mengain kita ngokan di bawah 5 minutes.
Right.
At least he runs.
To make him marrow.
Iya.
Yeah, right.
He watching the game, the first half. He watching this time.
Yeah.
You know, nowadays is very the program, the helpful in the playground is very good, from the
Yeah.
medics.
Right.
Yeah.
That time,
No
they
medics.
use mattress.
Oh, okay.
They use mattress. And baka nga
Tablet.
mo. Tablet ko ra mga China. So they take it.
Yeah.
They pour in the stretcher, very randabo.
Yeah.
Karang mo na mattress, they took the mattress, they put into the cargo. Kung na pocket,
Yeah.
they put in there, they come. Boom.
Oy, okay. May lombot ka na way.
Iya.
Oy. Ano nung menta mo ka ba na metiris?
Nda mo na mattress si Mekendo. So they put in like that,
Yeah.
So the first half,
Yeah.
they play. They show the whenever the ball this team
Yeah.
took the ball.
Right.
Those people they fly tackle.
Oh, okay.
Gitu Malilia.
Right. Flight tackle.
Fly tackle. They punch the other team.
Yeah.
Right.
So the boy was watching outside.
Yeah.
Watching outside. Hey, this game is not like a professional game. And
Yeah.
that time the laws was
Disorganized.
demoted.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Iya, baka simberti pa bimbita
All time is low, eh?
Iya.
Ah.
So he was watching. No, I don't want to get in.
Yeah.
So the coach was there.
Yeah.
Like the first 3 minutes of the second half.
All right.
Yeah.
His subdivision.
Yeah.
Cuando no me resulta.
Tara pala may tagirwa.
he was supposed to sub the one inside, and his sub
Yeah.
was being
Paralyzed.
iyo, no kasar nga milo.
Damage.
Huh?
Damage tag.
Damage siguro ng baluni. So he was finished from the ground.
Yeah.
So when everybody was running in,
Yeah.
and no, he can't. He have to go
Yeah,
outside.
he can continue.
Bring
He
us
can
the
continue. From there,
Yeah.
Chochi was there. Chochi is a small boy.
And nunggu ya Mikalinga.
Mikalinga too was there.
Oh, okay.
O kaya tamarangan ni Mimas. So he was worried
Yeah.
about him, eh?
Right.
He was worried about him and he was like this. Chochi!
Yeah.
Go in.
Yeah.
Chochi!
Yeah.
Alaba!
Yeah.
He knows
This is your time, boy.
He's respond.
Yeah.
Eh, sabi kayo dun, bro?
Yeah.
The coach was calling.
Yeah. This is your time.
Chochi!
Yeah.
What?
This is your time. This is your time. Alawa tar time ka na what?
Monggo coach. Chochi. This is your tongue.
Sana mo nga ko? This is your time. This is your time. Asin biro ka, what?
Chochi, what?
What? Asin biro ka, meron mo ka, what?
Yeah.
Meron mo coach. Are, go!
Yeah. Play.
Play!
Yeah.
Asin biro ka, what? Asin biro mo coach. Hey, Choti! Asin biro ka, nalaba!
Choti.
Nalaba!
Yeah.
Sin biro mo yung coach.
Yeah.
Dito mo, saan ko na mo, konti na mo bisimite kina? Tuno ka, melay laba! Munggur. Araw to ka na bibado nakakailangan tumeloma. Di mi matutungan na baba to kena Jess. Araw ka ni ko lain tonto. Asin ber mo coach. Sano ka? Chochi. Asin ber mo ko. Ala ba kami sa dun ruka usuli. Iyo. Ala ba? Tuno ka di loma.
Sumti ko.
Sumti ko di loma. Sibro ka. Melila ba? Binabalem sa Rapunzel for helping Chochi to run inside. Celebrating 90 years.
Ito pula mina kamay lo dala Allen Resort kami ame bonole.
Oh, boleh na habis nga ng rungi balu.
Dabali.
Salio Chochi. Aquela chingo Chochi na job nga udah kama chingo.
Iya.
Bina da misalo morabio na meteresi di semberu di dilo.
Dilom.
Jay.
Iya.
Na balim to.
Tam.
Tu sarang apa sona chimi sona matagali ngone pa ya.
Iya.
Na ngon ra ore chikin yang ngoni dongito chuna yalo.
Iya.
Ya na ngon asa vidalach.
Right.
Sakela choka na men roani kasa chimi loma ya.
Agilo ka lay
Aquela kaya na lakongo sana kadi ni tang menirarango.
Abila ka be polo ke nga drugul.
Le tutua. Na boleh udam sa talano.
Iya, anda nak sabar tinai.
Iya.
Mutu andare, mutu Rusia turang ngome korbo na sasa.
Iya.
Rusia tisibu andare benaka mai andare.
Nasasa no dorewa. Uy, narodake.
Naroda ke no.
Nasasa maduat
Kurbo nasasa.
Arto kortu sar sikum mengona matakani kwa yawane. Kawi mai na lo dala mai ngamea.
Yang benak.
Lo dala resort.
Oh, fada kamilil ni boy bulare kaya masi.
Andare benaka.
Kita ko Noah John lela lima tau biri.
Iya.
Lutera Lube, Sofia ngone lebu buni kamelambasa.
Isa.
Ndong bulan.
Anda si.
Ndamo nangguri ya mal sebelumani.
Dabo mai.
Nak
Pijen disote singa to kalabini ndamo nakimbau.
Right.
Malibani may Australia meleki deal.
Oi.
John Kumar bulan barawe di singa toka.
Meleni hai.
Ha,
Mai Queensland me Australia andare benaka be boy nindelana.
Lo mai tau ni nabu.
Saurara.
nabuang ko may Canada.
Oh, itu andare.
Seba bat ke elik.
No. Oh, ron na dorbo ni maduatang guri.
Iyon.
Siapa keli ki anda benak biki menron na.
Malaysia.
Bati
Oh, tu sana mai ki anda dango
Iya.
Rabita ki ngango.
Hai saya wa.
Rabte kandam.
Andare benak.
Bisi nan rungi balum don bul makau Mikael don bul makau so abu gitu ngono compound.
Do mo kuta.
Rokate
Belum nak ubi.
undi ti sirlo.
Di sirlo andare. Rosini ngau wa anda cuma matakan ni kuwa. Wa anda taltangan ni be hai saya. Andare do belum nak kami Queensland wit.
Kita sada ba?
Dono.
Sai kurlo masibo umbulare ma ua. Oni nire.
Rosini ngau lolom tu mi kutumia.
Lolo mama mimbi ni don ni uduna.
Iya.
Lolo mama mimbi tel tungan ni be irtu ke sa.
Alright. Hai saya wa lolom tu mi tau
Hai saya.
atu.
Oi.
Oh, umbulare. Nguri baka kino isna rusa.
Hai saya ba.
Hai sahea.
Ya.
Iya, hai
Pula,
sahea.
pula,
Nguri tabi
tahu.
kau.
Oh, sini rusa.
Dalaw lang mata sahea bi kau.
Oh, okay. Hillman belum nak, mana boleh.
Right. Mataka. Go kurumundo.
Dan sabere wala hamar demes.